welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a summer fashion haul video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a lot of fun pieces for the summertime, including clothes, shoes, accessories, and just a lot of fun things. So I'm so excited for this video. I hope that you will enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Paula. I make videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So I hope that you'll hit that red subscribe button. That way you're notified when I post any video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I just want to say that I'm so happy to be filming again. I feel like it's been quite a while since I last posted. I think it's been like 3 weeks, and I know it's kind of crazy, but I'm happy to be back. And the reason I'm filming this video is because we are going to be taking a really fun tropical vacation pretty soon, and I'm really excited about it. And over the last couple months, I've kind of gathered different things that I want to take with me. I don't know if you guys do that, but like once I know I'm going somewhere, I kind of just start like preparing, and then if I see something, you know, in the store that I think would be great for the trip or something, I'll just like pick it up. So now we're like a couple of days away from it, so I thought it'd be a good idea to just compile everything together. And oh my gosh, that was really scary. I think someone was like screaming outside. That was weird. Okay, so I thought it was a great time to just compile everything and show you guys a lot of fun things that I found. A lot of these things are still out there, so it'd be perfect if you guys want to go shop them yourselves. So I will leave the links down below to as many of these products that I can find. If not, I'll link some similar items as well. So I recently shopped at a couple different places. The places I love to shop at are Target, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Dress Up. Dress Up is one of my favorite boutiques, and also recently I placed an order with Shein.com, and if you guys aren't familiar with Shein, it's basically an online store based in China. I've ordered with them in the past and I really liked their stuff. They're pretty affordable. The only thing you have to be careful with is the sizing, because it can be a little off at times just because the sizing varies for each piece. So what I did is I just looked at the size chart for each individual item I was purchasing and then just ordered the size that I thought would fit me the best. So it's crazy because in some tops I was a small and some I was a medium. It just really depends on how the item is made. So yeah, so I'm going to be sharing that with you guys as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to first start off with the tops that I purchased from Shein. So the first one I have here is this one, and this is just a simple white tank. What I really liked about it was this double strap here. I thought it was really cute. It just kind of goes out in a V in the back, but I really liked it because I think that you can really pair white tops with a lot of different items, such as, you know, really fun shorts or pants with really cool patterns, or you can tuck it into a skirt or something like that. So I really like this one. I think this one was around $8. Honestly, all the tops that I purchased were from between $8 to $11, so they were really, really affordable. So yeah, so I picked this one up, and it's just kind of flowy and really fun for the summer. The next one I picked up was this one right here, and this is just a really pretty floral little top. It has a little peplum detail at the bottom. It has a racer back as well, and I thought it was really pretty, really feminine and girly. And I actually really like this one because I thought you could really pair it, you know, with jeans to have it be more of a casual look, but you could also dress it up, maybe like with a cardigan and some slacks if you want to wear it to work or something like that. So I really like this one. I got this one in a medium. I'm sorry, the other one I got in a small. This one I got in a medium. I'm just going to give you guys the sizing just for reference. I usually wear a small, like sizing with sizes here in the US. So yeah, just letting you know. But this one I did go up a size. I went to a medium just because the sizing on it was a little different. So yeah, so I love this one. And just as a heads up, the next shirts that I'm going to show you guys, they're all peplum style, and if you know me, you know I love peplum, so that comes as no surprise. But just letting you know in case you're like, why are all those shirts the same style? It's just because I have an obsession with peplum and I just think it's so cute. So with that being said, this is the next one here, and this one really caught my attention because it has like a lot of my favorite things in one piece. First of all, the print. I love this gingham. This print has been one of my favorites for the past year. I love it on everything. It also has a little peplum detail at the bottom. It's not so, it's actually a little bit of a dropped peplum, which is also really pretty. It has these really pretty embroidered floral detail as well, and the best part of it are these little bow accents. Oh my gosh, these are actually little straps, and you just tie the bow at the top. And I thought that was just like the cutest little thing. Like I mentioned, it has everything I love. It actually has a little elastic back, which is nice as well because it stretches. But yeah, I just love this top. I kind of picture myself wearing it with either some little black shorts or some white shorts, which I think would be really cute. Maybe even some navy shorts. But yeah, definitely with some type of short. But I really, really like it. So cute. Oh my gosh. And this one I got in a size small. So this one was fine, my regular size. The next top that I got was this one here. This one is a really pretty, like a mustard yellow color. It has some really pretty like white daisies on it, and it's also a peplum. It's actually a little bit more of a cropped peplum. However, I was a little bit hesitant at first. I thought it'd be too short, but honestly, it hit me like right below my belly button, which is perfect. It looks really cute with like high-waisted jeans or high-waisted shorts. It has, you know, the elastic back on it as well, and I thought it was so cute. This one, what size did I get? This one I actually purchased in a medium, and I would definitely go a size up with this one just because it's already pretty small, even for a medium, I would think. It fit me fine, but I would definitely go up a size because if I had ordered this in a small, it would have not fit at all. I just think it's so cute. Right, so the next top that I purchased is this one. This is also another one of my favorites. It's a really pretty pinstripe peplum with the embroidered flowers on it. They're like red and pink and just really, really cute. This one has adjustable straps, so if you want to, you know, bring it up a little bit or bring it down a little bit, you can do that. And I love Shein because they have really, really nice, like trendy pieces that you see in other like high-end stores. They're priced really affordable, so I love it. And the next top is this really pretty eyelet white little top, and this one also is a peplum, but I love this trend. This eyelet trend is really cute because it's very fresh, very lightweight. I would definitely wear a cami under this, but I just really love the look of it. And it just looks like this. It does have adjustable straps as well, and I love another just basic white top with a little bit of a twist just to mix and match with a lot of fun pieces. This one I got in a size medium. So like I said, the sizing can be a little off, so definitely look at the sizing chart before you order. So I love this one as well. Alright, so now moving on to some dresses. So I recently bought 2 different dresses from a boutique called Dress Up, and I love Dress Up. If you've watched some of my other fashion videos, you've heard me mention them, but I love Dress Up. They are actually a local boutique, but they've also expanded to a lot of other different locations, and of course they have an online site as well. So the first little dress that I picked up from Dress Up is this one, if I can get it off. If I can get it here. It's this one right here, and I love this little dress. It is made of kind of like a canvas material, and it is just really fresh and really pretty. It's just like this cream colored canvas with some black pinstripes and some buttons. I really love the buttons because they go straight down, and it's just really pretty. I got this one in a size medium just because the top here was a little bit tight, so I decided just to go with a size up. And this one was $38.99. I actually had a gift card, so I actually remember using this towards this. But I really like it. I think it's a really fun little summer piece as well. The second dress I picked up from Dress Up is this one here, and this one is a long sleeve. It has bell sleeves on it, and I love this dress. It's kind of off the shoulder with bell sleeves, just flowy and floral, and just all of my favorite things in one piece as well. I got this one also in a size medium, and I really like it because it's a little bit tighter on the chest area, but then you have the flowy sleeves and the flowy little dress as well, the flowy little skirt as well. So I love this one. This one was $34.99. And I thought it was a really good deal just because, you know, it's a whole outfit in one, and I think it would look really, really cute with just some pretty like cognac color, little sandals or heels or wedges or something like that. So something else that I wanted to take with me on the trip were kimonos, and if you go, you know, to the beach or to the ocean, it's really nice to have a kimono as a cover-up. I love using it as a cover-up, you know, when you get out of the pool or when you're going to the pool. So I found two really cute ones. The first one is also from Dress Up, and it's this one here. I love this really pretty, it's kind of like a gray slash sage color with really pretty pastel florals on it. This one actually, you can tie it here at the top, or you can just wear it loose. It also has bell sleeves on it, and it's just the cutest little thing. So I love this little cover up. This one, I can't remember how much it was, but I think it was probably around 20, maybe 30, I'm not quite sure, but I'll try to link it down below. This one I got in a size small, and just it's a little bit more oversized, so you could definitely probably even get a smaller size or your size. So I love that little cover up. And another little cover up I recently found is from Fiore Boutique. I'll leave a link down below as well, but it's this really pretty like black kimono cover up, and I love this one because it actually has slits on the sides. I don't know if you can tell, but it has little slits on the sides, so it is actually longer than the other one, but it does have the slits, which is nice because it just kind of splits up the pattern a little bit. So I think this one would be really, really cute with like a black tank top or with like a black bathing suit or something. So yeah, I love this one as well. Actually, I've already worn it with a black top and some jeans, so I really like this one. Okay, so now moving on to some bottoms. So I picked up two pairs of shorts, and the first are these right here, and I love these little like denim little loose fitting little shorts. These are mid-rise shorts. These are from Old Navy. These were on sale. Originally they were $26.99. I think I got them for 30% off, but I really love these right here. I love the little back pockets on them as well. They're faux pockets, but I mean, I just like the little detail, and then they also have the drawstrings in the front. So I got them in this denim color, and then I also got them in this really pretty army green color as well. Same style, it's just in another color, but they also had them in a ton of other colors. I think they even had like some pinstripe ones and just like really, really cute stuff. So definitely check out Old Navy if you're looking for some shorts. I love them. They fit perfect. The elastic waistband is just so comfortable. If you get them a little size bigger, you could definitely use it to tuck in your shirts if you wanted to do something like that. But I just really love them. They're so comfortable, so lightweight, and perfect for the summertime. Alright, so would it be the summertime without some bathing suits, right? So I actually picked up two different one-piece bathing suits, and the first I actually picked up from Shein, and I was a little hesitant about this one just because, of course, the sizing. I've never tried a bathing suit from Shein before, but I ended up getting this one. I think I got it, what size did I get? I think I got it like in a large. Yeah, I definitely got it in a large just because for me sometimes it's hard with one pieces to find a one size that fits, because I feel like I want it to fit the top, but I also want it to fit the bottom. So I ended up just going with a large just because the sizing, when I looked at it, I thought a large would fit, and they actually run a little bit small, so I definitely encourage you guys to go up a size, especially in bathing suits. But the one that I recently picked up is a little one piece, and it looks like this, and I love the really pretty floral print on it. I love the crisscross at the top, and I just thought it was so cute. It has adjustable straps as well, and it's just really, really pretty little pattern for the summertime. And the other one that I picked up is this one right here. Oh, get it? This one is from Pacsun, and I love the gingham, of course. It has really pretty like metal details that are rose gold. I love rose gold. So yeah, it's really nice, and it has kind of like the crisscross back as well, but I just love this one. This one was like honestly one of my favorites just because I love this pattern, and it is actually pretty flattering. It has a V-neck here at the front, and it has padding on it, and it's just perfect. Alright, so now moving on to shoes. So Target is literally my spot for shoes. I love Target so much. Like I don't even know how much more I can express my love for Target, just because I feel like I always talk about Target for home decor, for clothing. Like I could literally live in Target, off of Target, and just wear everything Target. Just get everything there just because they have everything you may need. But I recently picked up 2 different sandals from there. The first are these really cute little black bow sandals. They're adorable, they're super girly, and they're really comfortable as well. I thought these would be perfect for, you know, taking to the pool, but also taking, you know, out to the town or something like that. These are $22.99, so they're from the brand Massimo, and I love these. They're adorable, so cute. And the next pair of sandals that I picked up are these right here, and these are just so cute as well. These are a rose gold type of Birkenstock kind of look. They're by the brand Mad Love, I think that's how you say it. And I just had been eyeing these a lot. I actually had seen them last year at Target, but I didn't get them. So I saw them again this year, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get these. These are $22.99, and I really love the look of them, and they're gonna go great with a lot of different pieces. So super cute. And the last pair of shoes that I picked up are from Shein as well, and they're these right here, really pretty espadrilles, and I love espadrilles so much. These are super cute. They're white. They're from the brand Soda, and I've actually tried Soda shoes before, and I really love them. I love the espadrille on them. They're kind of like platform espadrilles, and they're just so cute, very strappy, and of course with the white, they go with everything. I had seen some Steve Madden ones like these, that were like, I think $80, but these were actually $30 from Shein, so I definitely would recommend Shein if you're looking for this type of style of shoe. And the last thing I have to share with you guys is a hat, and this is just a fun little hat I found at the Target dollar spot, and this one just says "Do Not Disturb" on it, and I thought it was just the cutest little thing. I love these type of straw hats for the summer, just because really cover your face and get the sun out of your face. And if you know, in the summertime the sun is so intense, so it's just great to have a nice hat to block the sun. But I thought it was just a really fun little piece for vacation, so this one was actually $5 at the dollar spot at Target, so definitely check them out if you guys are looking for something like this. Alright, so that was everything for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I will leave links down below to these things so you guys can check them out for yourselves as well. If you guys like haul videos, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe by hitting that red subscribe button down below. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Remember, you're all beautifully and wonderfully made, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.